Hi guys, today I'm gonna uh, flash to my engine. This is the motor flash, motor uh, medic. So I just wanna decide to flash my motor. This is the uh, Jeep Cherokee, and before you start it, you have to check the your oil level. This is the stick that you will pull it out and see that where is the oil level is. I mean, it's like it should be the safe area, which means now here oil here, but it's as you see safe area is here. Yeah, safe area here there, and because we're gonna add this uh, 32 ounces, which means 1/4 of motor flush oil before used before every oil change. I mean, this is the first time I am trying to do this, and I will adding from the here that yeah. Let me put this oil stick. Then go ahead and open the engine cab. Yeah. So, and then go ahead and open the motor flash. This is the one, and then I'll just open it. Yeah. Then, yeah, just put it somewhere here, whatever here. Then just let me get the sharper things here from here. That's yeah, I think maybe you can use the small screwdriver. Just push it and just push it and take it out. Don't drop inside anything. Just clear. Just clear everything. Then go ahead and add inside. Go ahead and put everything inside. Ah, all right. Of course, we can clean it, whatever has got oil. Then put the cab. Then what else you gonna do? Just start the engine, but do not push the gas. Just let it run itself. Don't push the RPM. Don't push the gas, and don't drive the car while you're doing this. Just let it run itself. Start the car 5 minutes or 10 minutes. It says on top of this um, yeah, motor flush oil, it says that 5 minutes, but I will try to 10 minutes, 7 minutes, around that time. So this is the it, and then yeah, after that just change the oil. Yeah, I'm gonna start it now. All right, this is it. I mean, it's basically so easy. Just what are you gonna do? Check the level of safe level. You have to have oil level, and then you can put the oil. If it's not the safe level, then you have to drain a little bit oil under the pan, and then you can add the motor flash oil. So overall is this, and what do you need to know? Just again, this is the first time I'm trying to do this, and before changing the oil, I'm adding the motor flash oil, and then after that I will change the oil. Yeah. All right, guys. Hopefully it's helpful, and I will let you guys know that result. All right, bye. So I just started the engine. My engine noise it wasn't this quiet. So after this motor flash oil, I put it, and the engine starting very well, and the engine's not noisy that much. So yeah, I don't push any gases, and almost like maybe 7 more minutes. Yeah, what I am seeing overall, it's fantastic. Yeah, I will wait maybe 6 more minutes. All right. So here you are. I just changed the oil. It's so dark. I'm gonna test it now. Let me see what is gonna come outside. Get this little bit like this and filter it. Filter it. Let's see. Look at this. Let's get a little bit of so dark. I mean, I think this flushing things it helps. Yeah. Look at this. Also filter. What is it? Filter. Something wrong. Well, this is the filter, and that let's see. Oh my God! Look at this. How dark is it? So I think it's helpful because it's so dark. I used to change every time the oil, so that's why maybe there is nothing inside, but it's dark, as you see, very dark. Okay, now you know, guys. As this motor flash oil flushing the motor, it's helpful, what I understand. So good luck to you.